you one of the best steering dampers installation ever. So you can see here, this is what we're talking about. The best installation you can have a steering damper on a scooter, on electric scooter. Let's go for more details now. So how you can see, the steering damper is installed in the front of the scooter, which allow you to get easy access to the control nut for the steering damper that allow you to control how much pressure you have to, how much force you need to turn the steering, and at the same time it keeps your deck clean. So let me show you from the back of the deck. So you can, how you can see, you can move it back and forth free and got the whole thing. When we're looking for the right point of view, the deck is clear. There is no mechanism that link the deck to the steering, so the whole deck is free to use it to put your feet anywhere. It will not interfere with the steering damper. And you can see, you can move it back and forth, and the steering damper is not around here in any place. It's not like the other system where the steering damper is connected somehow between the steering and the deck. Another advantage of having the steering damper in the front and not connected to the deck is that allow you to fold the scooter without any problem. So all you gotta do is to you. And here you can see the scooter is collapsed. And the same way you can put it back. First we have to unlock it from here. Then snap it and finally unlock it. So here you have it. So the steering damper in the front is the way to go. Forget about the steering damper between the steering and the deck. You need it to be on the front.